my mom said it's always easier the second time around.
Oh.
Kasi on
In
your
what sense?
first, with Millie, I had a hard time losing weight. Like, so much. Because I was too busy na pa, okay, first child. So, dapat
Iba yung
all attention. Takot ka
correct.
magkamali.
Correct.
Kung konting fever, doctor.
Doctor, agad-agad. Doc.
Talaga?
Oo, tawag agad doc.
You're never gonna, you feel like you're gonna make a mistake because you're afraid to make a mistake. Super normal yun.
So how did you deal with
Yeah.
it? Paano?
Well, ako, sabi ko sa sarili ko, just as long as my kids are happy and healthy, then maybe I'm not doing anything wrong. Diba?
Yeah,
Kasi parang,
that's why it takes a village.
yeah, it takes a village.
Like, grandmas, lolas are the best.
yes,
there.
they are.
Like, iwan mo sa kanila. Ganon.
Pero
Yes,
being
they
a mom
are.
ba, did it made you understand made you understand her being a mother or you or your younger self? Ano yung mas...
my mom. Like, I honestly never loved her more. As in.
Same. Parang ako, nung dalawa yung anak ko, naisip ko yung mama ko, parang, paano nagawa to walang yaya?
Yeah.
Kaming dalawa.
Mhm.
Parang
Correct.
it made me love my mom
Na ngayon,
more.
sobrang dependent na ng lahat
like,
sa...
sobrang best friends kami ni mom ngayon and we didn't have the best of relationships growing up, ha? Like, hindi talaga. Like, hindi kami close.
As an ate?
Now, as an ate, hindi talaga.
Kasi ate, yeah.
Dahil ikaw yung kumukontra lagi.
Yeah, as I'm strong.
Ako yung rebelde. Ako yung aalis ng bahay, maglalayas ilang beses. Like, talagang...
At what age?
Galayas
Girl,
Ang tapang.
nagsimula ako maglayas 14 years old. Talaga.
And where
As
would you
in,
go, friends? Ganyan.
No, in
Family.
fairness, I go to family.
Okay.
Kasi close naman kasi talaga kami ng family ko ever
Oo.
since. The entire clan
Mm.
before. And then, but...
At least she knows where to find
she
you.
always knows. There's never a time that hindi niya alam saan ako napunta.
Oo.
It's just hindi lang ako uuwi. Ganon.
Oo.
Or parang sobrang close kami. We have 2-hour calls every week. Video call or the minute may crisis, sa kanya ako tatawag. Like, I feel like mas naiintindihan ko yung sacrifice.
Yes.
Yung ano din, yung okay na, you understand why you had to say no to these things before. Kasi ngayon, every time I'd watch any series na may mga, kunwari like Euphoria or you watch
I
like...
watch it also.
Remember if you watch any series like that and if you're watching from a parent's perspective, tas sabihin may anak kang ganun, you'll be like, oh my God, like how can I protect my child
I
from
know.
all of these things?
That's
Like,
how you see things na.
I go like, kunwari, we were watching Modern Family and
Oo.
it's such a fun show. Like, it's one of my favorite shows. Tapos yung si Hailey, nag-ano doon, para siyang teenager na takas ng takas, ang daming
Oo.
bad decisions in life. And I'm like, oh my God, I was her.
Oo.
Like, I was watching the entire thing and I was like, I was exactly like her. Now, I see it from a parent's perspective na ang hirap pala talaga maging magulang kasi hindi mo makontrol. Like,
Correct. As much as you want
as
to.
much as you want to. And even my mom at the time, I would ask her like, I had to apologize many times. Kaya,
When you became a mom.
yeah, and to this day, anything she asks me, I buy it. Because
Diba?
I feel like
Ako rin, I would give
Right?
heaven and like, gusto mo yan, go.
everything. I don't care the
Ang
price.
hirap.
If you want it,
Oo.
I'll buy it for you. Pero kasi I feel like I have to make it up to her. And she
Yeah.
already keeps telling me, you don't have to make up for anything. Like, it's okay. Sabi niya, yung pinaka-blessing na to na binigay ko sa kanya, yung sa mga anak ko. So, absuelto
Yung
na
mga
daw
apo.
ako.
I love that, yung sinabi ng mom mo. Kasi ang daming parents na mag-aanak ako para alagaan nila ako in the future.
Oo.
Ibilhin nila yung lahat ng gusto ko. I
Yung
love that
utang na
she's like,
loob.
Hindi talaga.
wala kang kailangang ayusin.
Mom never ever asked. Si mommy yung ask niya, hindi nga parang bilhan mo ko nito.
Oo.
Kusa talaga. We want to spoil her. We know what she wants. Because my mom is very straightforward.
Mm-mm.
Like, cute nga siya one Christmas. Mom, what do you want for Christmas? Oh, I just want a new range hood. Range hood lang sa kusina.
cute.
Or like, oh, what else do you want? Kasi she was moving from a house to a condo.
Oo.
And she said she wanted a new bed. So one child bought her a bed, one child bought her a range hood, and then she wanted a microwave. Like, very simple things. Kami lang talaga yung gustong bumili ng watch for her or like something more expensive or trips.
Pero hindi ba nagiging gano'n naman tayong lahat? Kasi I realized na nag-iba na rin yung gusto ko when I went to the outlet stores in the US.
Yeah.
Pumasok ako sa, gusto ko ng La Crusel.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, oh my gosh, I would be like
Mga
this
pants.
before.
Mga
Diba?
adult stuff
Oo.
na. Ako
Yeah,
gusto ko lang
ganun
ng
pa.
towel.
So
Gusto ko ng
Trentahin.
bagong towel. Totoo. Like, ngayon pumunta ako sa pottery. Ay, gusto kong towel na to. Ay,
Diba?
3,000 ang mahal.
Gusto mo all colors.
Oo.
Gusto mo all colors.
Thread count. Ganun.
Naghahanap na tayo ng mga Egyptian cotton.
Yes. I want a Turkish carpet.
I love the maturity though because normally when you would go to a mall, you know exactly what you want to buy. It's either
Correct.
clothes, shoes, or bags. Now, like it's either a grocery, a healthy store, or like a kitchen. Oh my God, you know, ang Disneyland for me is always a department store or a furniture store. I
Ang
love
saya.
that.
I love
diba?
Disneyland.
I love
Not necessarily buying them, pero gusto ko lang na alam ko lahat ng
Yes.
lahat.
Yun yung idea ko of Disneyland. Kung
Oo.
sabihin mo sa akin Disneyland, ano ba Disneyland for me at this age? That would be going to like Rustan's or like anywhere that has kitchenware, homeware. Like, gusto ko lagi palitan yung buong bahay ko kahit hindi naman kailangan. Or plates. I want different kinds of
Nakakasaya
plates.
kasi, diba? Iba
Sobrang
yung
siya
happiness
nakakahappy.
niya.
Sobrang siya nakaka-happy.
Pero like, do you host na? Like, gusto mo mag-host ng mga dinners? Gano'n? Nandun na level.
Yes. Actually, ever since we moved houses, lahat na ng Sunday lunches sa bahay ko na.
Ay, wow. Ikaw na.
Last Christmas, I hosted our first ever Christmas as a family. It's always in my mom's. And then, nagbunutan kami. Kasi lahat kami, may mga bahay na kasi
Yeah,
lahat yung
correct.
eldest kids. Napili yung bahay ko, so I had to prepare. Or last Mother's Day, I was the one who hosted.
Ang dami nyo, ha?
I was gonna ask, how was your Mother's
Oo.
Day?
It was so nice. The funny thing is, I know I'm a mom, but nung Mother's Day, I always still think of my mom. Yung nakakalimutan mo na nanay ka rin. Alam mo yun? Parang, nung nagpa-plan ako ng Mother's Day, I was planning for what she wants. Like, Mom, what food do you like? And like, she just reminded me, hey, Dan, you're a mom too. What do you wanna eat? Like, oh, ano? Parang nasanay ka na when it's Mother's Day, you wanna honor your mother.
Yes.
So, anything she wanted. So, talagang I went all out with the table setting, any food that I know she would like. Yung mga ganyan. And I think I got that from her because my mom is a hostess with the mostess talaga. She loves to host. She loves to cook. So I think sa aming magkakapatid, ako yung nakakuha.
Oh, you love to cook as well.
Very homemaker.
Pero ganun naman talaga yung parents natin. We will always be a baby to them.
Oo.
Yes. Tsaka dati hindi kami ni mommy sweet. Ngayon overly sweet na kami.
I love
Paano?
that for
Paano?
you.
Before kasi since angsty ako na bata, hindi ako ma-I love you, hindi ako
Hindi
maganyan.
showy ng
Hindi ako
emotions.
showy talaga. I'm the least. I never show emotions. But my mom, now that I'm a mom now, like, gusto ko lagi nag-I love you. Gusto ko lagi nag-I miss you. Gusto ko lagi nagpaparamdam. Kasi, ang dami ng nawawala sa
Yeah,
life. Like,
past
recently,
moments
may
na.
2 losses kami in a span of 6 months. So, sabi
Wow.
ko, grabe. Ganun lang yung
Life's
buhay.
so
Correct.
short.
Sabi ko, and lalo na when my tito died, my mom's kuya, because they're very close. So, our tito was like our second dad. So, when he died all of a sudden, doon na namin nakita yung, oh my God, ganun lang yung buhay. So, sabi ng mom ko, lahat kami magkakapatid, magpa-check ka na. O saan tayo magpapacheck? Where do you wanna go? What do you wanna do? Yung parang, all we wanna do is just let her live her life and enjoy her life now.
If this episode made you laugh, think, or suddenly text your friend, "Are we doing life right?" You're in the right place. Follow Trentitas so you never miss an episode, and share it with a fellow 30-something who's also balancing dreams, bills, and existential questions. Because let's be honest, nobody really knows what they're doing in their 30s. We're all just figuring it out. Stick around for more real talk, good vibes, and conversations that make adulthood a little less confusing. This is Trentitas, your hangout for surviving your 30s.